Hey everybody, this is the review video for hyperboles. We'll be looking at hyperboles this week. Now we got a little bit of an intro last week to this figure of speech, but now we're going to be going more in depth because we're going to be doing more idiom work this week. So the basic definition is it's an intentional exaggeration used to emphasize a point and should not be taken literal. We hear it in everyday speech. When you hear some of our examples, you'll probably agree with me that, oh, hey, you know what, I do know that. I've heard that around. It appears more common than you think. And we also use it to spruce up our writing. It kind of gives flavor for our readers. And it's a neat way to sneak in figurative language and kind of far out their statements and kind of like to make your point in your writing. So some common examples is, he's running faster than the wind. This bag weighs a ton. This is the worst day of my life. And I'm so hungry I could eat a horse. Now, none of these things are exactly true if you take it word for word, literal. For example, I'm so hungry I could eat a horse. Well, I'm very hungry, but I would never eat a horse because that's ridiculous. I mean, I could eat a burger or maybe a bowl of cereal, but a horse is too big and it's a ridiculous statement. So now we're going to look at how to analyze a hyperbole. So when you're reading it in text and you're reading it in stories, the first thing is to find the statement. So you're reading the text and you want to find or search for any statement that seems ridiculous or seems exaggerated and that's far out there or even extreme. Step 2 is to figure out the effect. So what's the subject of this hyperbole? Who's it affecting? And why is there a need for this extreme exaggeration? In step 3, what is the exact meaning of a hyperbole being used? What's the literal meaning and what's the figurative meaning? And the figurative meaning of he's running faster than the wind, that's the figurative statement. The literal meaning is he's just really fast and there's no other way to describe that. He's faster than the wind. I'm acknowledging that the wind moves very fast and that this person also is obviously not as fast as the wind, but he's very fast in general. Maybe she's a really quick runner. So this is our official review video. Please stay tuned for some more examples and a special bonus video on hyperboles featuring my 3 dogs. All right, bye.